Oh, hey, how's it going? My name is Joshua Garrett from the University of North Texas, and I am a R&D engineer at PBC LInear. Basically, what that means is this whole summer I have been messing with these robots and been a key part of automatizing the shop floor of this company. And since I'm a programmer, that means I've been helping a lot with the utility of these robots, such as connecting Raspberry Pis so we can do a bunch of code on them, giving them Wi-Fi access, hooking up different cameras and scanners for them. And it's been a really interesting experience. Since I'm a computer science major, I never really thought I'd be working in a manufacturing company with a bunch of engineers, but it turned out to be one of the best internships I could ask for. I felt like I've learned so many skills that other computer science majors definitely can never say that they could ever get unless they also worked in manufacturing, then they would get them. However, I feel like this was just an amazing first time internship, especially being the only programmer, because it meant a lot of the things I did were people asking me to do it and not really understanding how hard it was what they were asking me. And since there was no one really for me to ask questions about coding, it really let me expand myself, expand what I can do, and push myself to my limits. And I'm really going to take that mindset with me to any job that I go to in the future.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.